Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment. Now, if you're looking for a better ride on your zero-turn mower, then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to be doing a review over the ZGlide front suspension system. So let's get started. All right guys, so before we get into the demo itself, let's talk just a little bit about what the ZGlide is. Now, this is a front fork suspension system that is made for your zero-turn mowers. And how this works is we actually have a pivoting point here that's on a torsion axle built in right here into the ZGlide. And as you can see, guys, these are very heavily constructed, much like what you're gonna see on the front forks of these mowers. As you can see, very well built. I actually have installed these onto this mower, and I'm telling you that your first time out when you go in to install these, it may take you 30 minutes or a little longer, but I have done this before. I've actually got a video of me installing these ZGlides on this mower. I'll put that link in the description below. It's on our how-to channel on 24/7 Parts, so make sure and check that out. But guys, from here, let's go ahead and hop on and get to mowing.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, 'cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 Oh, wake up heart and wake up mind, and see the world is yours to find. And oh, with every passing day there's more, calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply can't deny it, that I feel adventure calling out to me. Yeah, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
All right guys, so now I'm going to show you some really rough terrain. As you can see, we're out here in the pasture, the cattle out here. As you can see, we've got a lot of slope, a lot of uneven ground. This is stepped on all year long by the cows, so let's see how it does.
And I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. Living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be. I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be free, meant to be free.
All right guys, so that's it. I hope you liked this video. I hope you were able to see what kind of benefit the ZGlide would bring to your mower. And guys, if you, after watching this, if you feel like you're interested in these ZGlides, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. I'll leave that link in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah.
No, you're too casual.
Too casual?
Yeah, you look like you're about to take a dump on a mower.
Oh my goodness, dude. Nothing's ever good enough for you. These film guys are tough. All right, you ready?
Yeah, just to take more down so you can see the entire shebang.
Oh, whoa. Whoa, sorry.
Whoa.
Kind of fell on me. Dude, this thing would cut you in two, man. Look at this. It goes
Big seatbelt.
under my gut. I kind of like it. You can't even tell I got it on, can you?
Nope.
Nope. It's the beauty of it. It's the beauty of the fat kid life. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.